In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a logo using Canva, an excellent tool for both beginners and experienced designers. Whether you're crafting a brand new brand identity or simply want to refresh your existing one, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't yet have an account, it's easy and quick to set one up. Follow the on-screen instructions to get started, and soon you'll have access to a wide array of design possibilities at your fingertips. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. This is your starting point for all things design related. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll notice a variety of options listed vertically. Look for the Apps section and give it a click. This is where the magic begins. In the Apps section, you'll find a plethora of creative tools that Canva offers. For our purpose today, type in logo in the search bar. This search will yield a collection of AI-powered logo generators, which can significantly streamline your design process. These tools are perfect if you're looking for a quick and automated way to generate logo ideas. However, if you're inclined towards a more hands-on approach and want to add a personal touch to your logo, Canva has got you covered as well. Direct your attention to the Elements tab, located conveniently on the left. This is a treasure trove of design elements like frames, shapes, borders, and more, which can help you craft a unique logo from scratch. When you reach the Elements tab, type in related keywords such as frames and borders. These elements serve as fantastic building blocks for your design and can provide structure and emphasis to your logo. Experiment with different combinations to see how each element fits within your overall concept. While you're designing, feel free to use Canva's drag and drop functionality to position your elements precisely where you want them. Thanks to Canva's intuitive interface, altering the size, color, and rotation of these elements is straightforward and hassle-free. As you work, remember to periodically save your progress. Canva does offer autosave, but it's always wise to ensure your hard work is secured manually. After refining your design and once you're satisfied with the outcome, downloading your logo is just a couple of clicks away. Canva allows you to choose from various file formats, such as PNG or JPEG, depending on your intended use. You'll find this option in the top right-hand corner under the Download button. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive guide to crafting your logo using Canva. Remember, the best designs often emerge from playing around with different styles and combinations. So feel free to experiment until you find something that resonates with your brand's identity. Happy designing!